Hello, I'm Ivor, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the phone drop transition TikTok video. I know I'm being so extra right now. Because the speed in TikTok app is not as slow-mo, it's not slow enough to do like a transition, to see the phone falling. Some of you guys might be thinking that, oh, you can go on TikTok app and adjust the speed to 0.3 for slow-mo, but it turns out it's so ugly. Look at this.
Nope.
No, it's so bad. So let me show you how it's actually done. Firstly, place some soft objects or whatever that won't break your phone when you drop it at the bottom of the mirror. Turn on your camera and tap on the slow-mo feature, which Android has it too. So just drop your phone and make sure your phone drop it in a way that is covering the screen because we want to get a nice transition. Drop your phone straight down while your camera is facing the mirror, and when your phone reaches the bottom, make sure your camera is facing down the pillow covering the screen. We're done with the first part. We're about to get ready to transit to a different person with cute outfits. Get ready for part 2. And just repeat the step that I just showed you, and remember to drop your phone straight down. And no, we don't want that, so keep trying until you get your camera straight like this. For editing, just open up your video clip app and upload the first part and the second part. And also upload a TikTok that has the same sound to get a right beat. So tap on the video, tap on the audio, tap on unlink and delete the video because we only need the music. Drag the music to the front. And because the beat only hits after 4 seconds, so you gotta trim the first part to match the song. Now just go to the end of the first part of the video and trim it to the point where the pillow is covering the screen, and just cut off the remaining footage. Remember to match the song. Tap on the second part, tap on reverse. Okay, now that the second part is reversed, we gotta trim the beginning of the part where the phone drops to a part where the pillow is kind of similar to the first part. And lastly, just trim the remaining of the second part to fit in the song. Ta-da! So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions, just leave comments down below, and if you need me to do any tutorials of any videos, just say it, don't be shy. Until then, I'll see you next time. I swear to God, the kids in the neighborhood. Oh my God, I have no vision at all. Okay, what was I? Yeah, like and subscribe if you want to. See you in my next video.